let's go. Okay, so we just finished our morning walk. It was really nice out actually today. Yeah, now Callie's just looking out the window, ready to go home. Last night it rained apparently, and the grass was all wet. Callie was running everywhere all around. Just pro tip so she doesn't get your car or yourself dirty. Bring a towel for your dog. Learn that lesson. So I'm gonna go home, make some breakfast, and then take a shower. I might go to the pier to go work on some stuff. I have to finish like 6 drawings because I usually draw on my iPad. Bring my iPad with me, get some coffee, and we go to the pier after breakfast. So sit outside, enjoy the outdoors, and it's almost summer, so hey. And here's Callie now. Callie! Hi! Oh! Hello! Oh, hi! Look at you! Oh, I'll see you guys later. Bye! My little breakfast for the day. Cheers. So another thing I like to do in the morning, since today I'm actually home alone, I thought I could play some of my favorite music, which is Taylor Swift. You could probably hear it now. I know this morning was feeling more like Lover era, Daylight, but now I'm feeling more Evermore, so I put this on. Enjoy some Evermore music in the background. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna do my little word search. Thought this was like a nice calming way to start your day instead of like being on your phone. Like do my little word search while listening to Taylor Swift. Okay, so I just finished. This is what it looks like. This is the 80s hit singles. I know a few of these because of my dad, but yeah. So I just finished taking a shower. Back to natural curly hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this coffee shop, which is new to me. I've been wanting to try this coffee from the Wooden Rooster. It's in downtown, so I'm gonna go check it out. Oh, it's okay. And try to get some work done. See ya. Ice vanilla latte, please? Sure. Okay, we got the coffee. Cheers. Okay, so we made it to the pier. I actually wanted to sit on these chairs, but they're still kind of wet. And not just sit on this bench. It's my coffee. See, over there it's kind of wet still. But I found this side of the bench isn't, so I don't know. Just go with it, I guess. It's nice. I brought my iPad because I actually have to finish a couple of drawings or designs and hopefully print them either today or tomorrow. Got my coffee. Let's draw. Okay, so I just got home. In a few minutes, I have to hop on a call with a university just to talk about a master's program, which I'm interested in. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, see ya. This is a super quick and successful call, which is great. Here's Callie. Hi. Callie, hi. I was right here the whole time. It's like she hasn't seen me in a while. I'm right here. She was literally just laying on my bed over here, just sleeping, and now she woke up and she's like, oh my god. Now I'm gonna just finish up a few more assignments for the week and just continue on with the day. Oh, what happened to your hair? Yeah, good girl. So I finished most of my work already, which is really good because now I have time to film some content for spring, because spring is coming really soon, and I like to film the fashion inspiration videos, and I'm doing a spring edition one for TikTok, and I thought I would try on some of these spring dresses, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Okay, so this is the first dress. I haven't worn this one in a while. It's really cute. So, yeah. Okay, dress number 2 is coming up. So right now it's like 6:20-ish, so I thought I would make a coffee. I'm gonna make a hot latte instead of an iced latte, which is my go-to drink, but let's make a hot latte. Okay, so it just finished heating up. Okay, so first off, we're gonna get the milk. Okay, and I have my little pitcher milk. Just gonna pour some in there. I'm gonna my portafilter, put some coffee in it, or espresso. I'm using Dancing Goats. I have this little scoop. Pressing it down really firm. You touch it, it's supposed to be kind of firm. Your finger shouldn't make any indentation on it. Just see, it's like right at that line. I'm using Torani vanilla syrup. Okay, so just pour some in there. Turn to the steam wand and it's ready. So I put this here. Try to do this with one hand. I tried to use my tripod, but it's not standing upright. I'm gonna have to set this down somewhere because I have to hold this in the milk and then turn this on, or else it's just gonna all splatter everywhere and make a mess. So hold on. I don't know why. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So keep in mind, this is not gonna be some latte art. Time to taste test this. Cheers. So good. Here it is. I know, I'm an artist. So I'm gonna drink this and finish up a few more drawings. Then get ready for the closing shift, as they call it. Oh, Callie, what are you? She just threw her toy across the room. Yeah, closing shift, night shift, just getting ready for the end of the day. So, cheers. See you later. So I just finished coloring. That pretty much wraps up the whole day. Now I'm gonna go change and get ready for bed. Overall, I think it was a pretty productive day. Yeah, I do feel like I got a lot more things done today, which is great. Especially like that I was able to like incorporate more of these like healthy habits, doing a word search puzzle, going on a walk, spending more time outside, like drawing, and ending the day coloring. It was a lot of fun and I enjoyed it. So I will definitely try to incorporate this more, like make it a routine for sure. I wanted to give a shout out to Shelly. I actually got this idea for this video from this other YouTuber. Her name is Shelly, so shout out to her. I love her channel. It's so aesthetic and really good vibes. So I really like her channel and her videos. They're amazing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.